it's Faith again and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing this one. This is the 140 pesos Aido travel kit and I got this sa Watsons. And when I saw this, parang na-intrigue ako and I wanted to try it. It comes in this transparent na plastic packaging. And then, ayan na siya. I think they have two shades there. Pero yung kinuha ko is number 2. Kasi it looks more neutral, great for everyday. And in fairness guys, maganda yung packaging niya. Very sturdy din hawakan and manipis hawakan. So, it's really great for traveling. So, let's open it. And it comes in this dual-ended na applicator. A sponge here, tapos a brush here. And I know, hindi ko ito magagamit. But look at that. Look at the shades. Ang gaganda ng shades, guys. Very, very promising. So let me give you a swatch. Okay. Ooh, not bad. So these are the first 3 shades. It's swatching nicely, although it's a bit powdery. And then let's try this white. Ayan yung white. I'm not sure if you can see that white, but yeah, you can. And then the last 2 colors here. Hindi nyo makikita kasi it's very, very light na. And then this one. Ayan. So far on the swatches, it's okay naman yung swatches for the price. It's pigmented, although it is a bit powdery. And then it has 2 blushes. Tapos, this one is a dark peach blush. Tapos, this one is a very, very light peach blush. Ayan siya. I don't know if you can see that sa camera. It's showing up here naman, but there in the camera, very light siya. It's actually very, very light. And then, that one is the darker blush. Ayan. So, first, let's apply this on the eyes. Yun nga lang, walang matte eyeshadows na andito. It's satiny. But you know what? That's fine. Let's make this work. I'm going to make this as my eyeshadow on my crease. I mean, my transition shade. Kasi yung mga blush, you can use them as eyeshadows as well. So it is showing up. It's really, really light. And then I'm going to take this one. This dark peach. I don't know if this is a blush or an eyeshadow, but I think it's a blush. And then to darken my outer V, I will be taking this shade, that one, on a smaller blending brush. Okay, there you go. And then for my lid color, I will be taking this one. It's a satiny goldy eyeshadow. Ayan. And I'm going to put that all over my lids. I'm just going to use my hands. I mean my finger. And then for my lower lash line, I will take this one and that one again. It's not overly pigmented, but let's try to build it up. I'm going to add a mixture of this one and that one. Build up ko lang talaga yung outer V kasi parang nakukulangan ako. And I'm going to layer yung lid color natin because it got blended away. Ayan. I bet if you wet your brush and tapos gamitin mo to, it will be more pigmented. It will be more opaque on our eyes. And I will take that white eyeshadow or that cream eyeshadow. This one is matte and I'm going to put that dito as my brow bone highlight. And then I'm also going to use that white eyeshadow as my inner corner highlights, like konting-konti. I'm going to add this to on my lower outer corner. And then, there you go. I think my eyes are done. So, try nga natin ilagay itong blush na ito on my cheeks. Let's see. Naka-blush na ako, but let's layer it. Ayan. I like this blush. It's very peachy. And tapos na ako sa makeup ko, as you can see. And for my final verdict, this is not bad for the price, but I'm going to tell you honestly, it's not the most pigmented eyeshadow palette, but hello, ang mura-mura niya na. This is the kind of eyeshadow palette na hindi siya very pigmented. It's not very opaque on the eyes, but you can make it work. You can work around it. And hindi din naman ako nahihirapan sa pag-blend ng mga eyeshadows as long as you have good eye makeup tools, ganon. And yeah, I'm not overly impressed, but hindi din ako disappointed sa kanya kasi nga ang mura niya lang. So, ayun lang. This I can recommend sa mga nag-uumpisa pa lang sa makeup. To those who are on a budget and are still practicing how to do their eyeshadows, this I can recommend kasi pwede siya for everyday use. And it's really great for traveling kasi manipis lang siya and maliit lang. So, ayun lang yung masasabi ko guys. For 140 pesos, it's not bad for the price. So, that's it guys for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And also click that bell button beside the subscribe button so you will be notified every time I post a new video. That's it guys for today's video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys! God bless everyone! Mwah!